everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at the MonkeyfingeR's Prime8. Without further ado, let's go! This yo-yo comes in an actually really sweet little box here. Comes in this like triangular box, kind of interesting. It also has the MonkeyfingeR's logo on it. MonkeyfingeR's, I have another yo-yo that I will be reviewing in another video. It's called the Lasula, and MonkeyfingeR's has been loyal to me over and over again. I love the MonkeyfingeR's brand, and they are really, really good. I definitely suggest getting some of their yo-yos or looking at them. Oh, it looks like it came with a little sticker on the side of it. It says Prime8. And this little MonkeyfingeR's card, I guess. Put that back in there. It came with a sticker. This is Prime8. And also it came in this, I don't know, this triangle foam. It's kind of cool, actually. I'm gonna keep this case and like display it, or put a yo-yo in there. And it also looks like it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. Came strung, I guess. Cool. Well, I got this really sweet colorway. I don't remember what the name of the colorway was, but it looks really nice. And the response pads are called Monkey Snot response pads. So it's a little different of a name, but they're called Monkey Snot. It looks like it's a center track bearing, as you can see with the little rims of the bearing. The axle, can't get it out, but it looks like a normal sized axle for unresponsive yo-yos. I'm wondering how this is gonna look when it spins, because it's gonna look really cool, I think. Also, the inside ridges here, it has like a really, really sharp rim. Like, I don't know, but I want to try tail and grind it, and it might like slice through my fingernail. It's really sharp. The finger spinning area doesn't really look like it would help you with anything, because I don't think it's meant for finger spins. But now let's go see how it plays. Oh, this is a long string. Ooh, I like it. It might need some lube because it's kind of loud and it sounds like it's grinding against. It looks really cool when it spins. It looks like almost like silver. The color looks really sweet when it's spinning. Hold on, let me try the response. Oh, wow. These response pads are really grippy. I like the Monkey Snot response pads. Interesting name, I have to say. But still, it's pretty cool yo-yo, and it doesn't really seem to be that wide, but I can land most of my tricks pretty easily. Can I? Wait. Huh, okay. Well, I guess the wideness doesn't really affect anything, because I can land most of my tricks. Now for the tail and grinds, I was curious about this. Wow, it really tail and grinds really well. That was a bad tail and grind as well, but it tail and grinds really well. Oh, I can feel it like grinding through my nails. Yeah, there's a mark on my finger grind. Not the best for finger grinds. I mean, it's fine, but it doesn't really finger grind for that long of a time. For the finger spin section, I'm not really gonna be affected if it finger spins bad. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. It's really bad. Not for finger spinning. This yo-yo is not for finger spinning. Try like complex trick. Yeah. So I really like this yo-yo. It's probably one of the ones I might compete with, actually. Let's try like boingy boing in front style. I don't know what it is about this yo-yo, but with boingy boing, this yo-yo feels really satisfying. I don't know why, but it feels really cool. It's a heavier yo-yo, which is actually kind of nice, so it spins long, but it's not like too heavy where it just doesn't, it hurts when it like hits you accidentally. Overall, I'd give this one probably a 10 out of 10. I really like this yo-yo a lot. I said there was going to be a Ann Connolly checkpoint pivot review today, but this yo-yo is trapped in shipping somewhere in the world. It's like in Arizona. It's been there for a few days, and it's really weird. So, yeah, sorry about that one. There will be an Ann Connolly checkpoint pivot review coming up soon. But this has been the review on the MonkeyfingeR's Prime8. Thank you all for watching the video. See you in the next one.